Got some welding work being done right here. More steel welding and cutting. They are welding the beams into place. Here's the Freedom Tower, One World Trade Center again, and Tower 7. Here's another look at Tower 3's podium base. A lot of welding work going on. Here's the transportation hub. Still completely underground. Nothing really major is happening above ground right now. Here's Tower 2 World Trade Center. Again, still nothing major. Minor work is being done right now. There's a glass panel being put into place. Alright, here is Tower 2. Again, still on hold at the street level. Tower 2 is still far off from finding tenants, unfortunately. Hopefully sooner or later it will find one. In the long run, it most likely will find a tenant. I believe it will. And when it does, it will continue to its full 88 stories. Here's another look at Tower 2.
You talk like
standing outside of the pad station. Alright, at the base of One World Trade Center, we have more preparation work being done for the base cladding. Sorry. So right here we just have more work being done for the base cladding, making final adjustments, things like that. I'm sorry if that's kind of dark. Here's Tower 3 and 4. Alright, the top piece of the antenna spire is still here. Looks like a lot of things are being installed inside it. Looks like lighting work. Alright, here you can see the end piece of the base cladding, which will now start it, I'm guessing, on this side. There's Tower 4 again. And inside is a look at the memorial. And here's the top piece to the antenna spire again. Once this piece is lifted, it will complete the antenna, and the tower will reach its full 1,776 feet. More pieces need to be brought in before this piece is lifted. Okay, here's a straightforward look at the Freedom Tower, One World Trade Center. And you can see that glass that has been filled in.